Hello everyone. In this video we are discussing 8086 microprocessor instructions. So there are several types of instructions. We are focusing on data transfer instructions in this video. So data transfer instructions are the instructions which are used to transfer data from source operand to the destination operand, and following are the list of instructions under this group. Data transfer instructions includes move, ppush, pop, push A, pop A, exchange, xlat. Okay, so move instruction is used to copy the byte or word from the provided source to the provided destination. Push instruction is used to put a word at the top of the stack. So basically push and pop operation are used to put data on the top of the stack. Push is to put the data on the top of the stack and pop is to remove the data from the top of the stack. So here pop instruction is used to get a word from the top of the stack to the provided location. Then push A instruction is used to put all the register into the stack. Pop A is used to get word from the stack to all register. Then exchange instruction is used to exchange the data from two locations, and xlat instruction is used to translate a byte in AL using a table in the memory. So AL stands for accumulator here. Then instructions for input and output port transfer includes in and out. So these are also data transfer instruction. In instruction is used to read a byte or word from the provided port to the accumulator, and out instruction is used to send out a byte or word from the accumulator to the provided port. Now we are discussing instructions to transfer the address. So address transfer instructions includes LEA. It is used to load the address of operand into the provided register, and LDS is used to load DS register and other provided registers from the memory. LES is used to load ES register and other provided registers from the memory. Now we are discussing instructions to transfer flag register. So these are also kind of data transfer instructions, and these instructions includes LAHF, SAHF, push F and pop F. Now LAHF is used to load AH with the lower byte of the flag register. We know that AX is an accumulator and AH is the higher part of that accumulator, that is highest 8 byte, and it is used to load AH with the low byte of the flag register. In the same way, SAHF is used to store AH register to the lower byte of the flag register, and pushf is used to copy the flag register to the top of the stack, and popf is used to copy a word at the top of the stack to the flag register. So that's all for this video. In this video we have covered data transfer instructions. To see the remaining types of instructions, please watch subsequent videos, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see more videos on this topic.